The crisis caused by another storm was the subject of outrage in Hamilton tonight.
Parts of the city flooded after a thunderstorm hit there about 2 weeks ago, and many feel that flood could have been prevented. 9 on Your Side's Ashley Zilka was there as neighbors talked about what went wrong with city leaders. Ashley.
Well, the city manager admits the city has not been proactive when it comes to these flooding problems. Tonight, an expert presented some solutions, but people did not hold back their frustrations.
I have three words to the leaders of this city. Shame on you, shame on you, shame on you.
Jack Head lives on Carmen Avenue in Hamilton. He says he's sick of this.
I felt so good. And I went down the basement to turn my water back on. And I realized I wasn't walking on air anymore. I was walking on sewage.
Ed Reed is the president of Bartles Heating and Cooling on Main Street. 20 days ago, several inches of rain dumped over his business.
We had 4 or 5 people bailing water just to try to keep the damage down, so everything kind of gets put on hold.
During the council meeting, Hamilton's Director of Public Utilities, Kevin Maynard, gave options for the city to consider. Some fixes easier than others.
In many cases, it's going to be as simple as disconnecting those downspouts from the storm or sanitary sewer, and putting them out into the lawn or into a rain garden.
City leaders agreed something needs to happen.
If what they said today gets put into action, then it sounded pretty positive.
In the meantime, Reed is hoping the potential storm doesn't wreck his business again.
I don't know if I'll sleep much tonight.
Now, Maynard says the city will hire a firm to start conducting those surveys at every single home and business in Hamilton. Those surveys will help officials determine what exactly is wrong. Reporting live, Ashley Zilka, 9 on Your Side. All right.